This audiobook is brought to you by AnyConnector, the platform that connects POS, payroll, HR, inventory, and finance with real-time syncs or scheduled batches. With AnyConnector, your apps talk and your business grows. Today's topic: real-time integrations versus batch processing. Exploring how businesses can choose speed when it counts and efficiency when it matters. In today's digital economy, data moves fast, and businesses are expected to move even faster. Whether you're a growing restaurant chain, a retail brand, or a tech-enabled service provider, how you manage data between systems can make or break your ability to stay agile. That's where integration methods come in, especially real-time integration and batch processing. Both have value, but the real question is, which one fits your business best? What is real-time integration? Real-time integration means data flows from one system to another instantly as events happen. There's no delay between an action and when it becomes visible in connected systems. Some of the things you'll notice with real-time integration are: data gets updated the moment it's created. Your platforms are always in sync, and the setup often relies on APIs or event-driven messaging. Why do businesses use it? Because it helps teams make faster decisions. Customers enjoy better experiences, like live order updates, and workflows become smoother without waiting for systems to catch up. But there are challenges too. Real-time requires stronger infrastructure. It can be a little more complex to set up. And honestly, not every process in your business needs it. What is batch processing? Batch processing is different. Instead of data moving instantly, it's collected and processed at scheduled times, like once a night, weekly, or on demand. Here's how it typically looks. It runs on a schedule. It can handle very large volumes of data, and it's often easier to manage compared to real-time systems. Businesses like it because it's efficient. It can process tons of data in one go. It's cost-effective since you don't need as much infrastructure. And it's reliable, making it great for tasks like payroll, reports, or backups. But the trade-offs? Batch isn't great for time-sensitive data. There's usually a lag before updates appear, and teams can't always react instantly. So, how do the two really stack up? When we talk about data freshness, real-time wins with instant updates. Batch? It's delayed, since it follows a schedule. Looking at ideal use cases, real-time is perfect for live dashboards and fraud alerts. Batch is better for jobs like payroll and invoicing. For system demand, real-time puts more pressure on your infrastructure. Batch is lighter because it only kicks in at specific times. In terms of implementation, real-time setups are often more complex. Batch processing is simpler and quicker to roll out. And of course, cost matters. Real-time can be more expensive, while batch tends to be more budget-friendly. So, the bottom line? Real-time is all about speed and responsiveness, while batch is focused on simplicity and efficiency. To put this into perspective, a food delivery app uses real-time syncing so inventory updates instantly, preventing out-of-stock orders. A bank relies on real-time systems to flag suspicious transactions as they happen. On the other hand, a restaurant chain might run payroll every 2 weeks using batch processing. And a retail business might consolidate its weekly sales data every Sunday night for reporting. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends. Think about your business goals. Do you need instant visibility? Or is next-day reporting enough? Think about your team and resources. Can they handle the complexity of real-time? Think about your budget. Do you want to minimize costs? Or Are you ready to invest in speed? And most importantly, think about the type of data. Not all of it needs to move right away. In fact, many businesses today don't choose just one. They go hybrid, using real time for key operations and batch for back-office processing. Why a flexible integration platform matters. No matter which paths you take, the platform behind your integrations matters just as much. It needs to be reliable, scalable, and easy to manage. A good platform gives you options. You can switch between real-time and batch depending on the job. And with that flexibility, you cut down on manual work, improve accuracy, and make decisions faster. Every business runs on data. But how you move and use that data makes all the difference. Real-time integration gives you speed and responsiveness. Batch processing gives you simplicity and scale. The real opportunity is knowing when to use each and having a platform that lets you do both. As your business grows, the power of well-designed integrations becomes even more critical. Start where it makes sense, build from there, and choose the approach that doesn't just save time, but sets you up for scalable growth. At AnyConnector, we make real-time and batch integration simple, without heavy engineering or long implementation cycles. Whether it's syncing payroll with POS, aligning inventory with e-commerce, or building custom workflows across your tech stack, our platform is designed to flex with your needs. With AnyConnector, you get real-time when it matters most, and batch processing when it's more efficient. Setup is plug and play with pre-built connectors. The system is built for scale, with AI-powered monitoring and troubleshooting. And it all works behind the scenes, so your teams focus on what really matters: running the business. Learn more at www.anyconnector.com, and let's turn integration into your growth engine. With AnyConnector, you don't have to choose just one. Sync data in real time when it matters most, and schedule batch updates for everything else. All from one easy-to-use platform. AnyConnector, where your apps talk and your business grows.